Hi my dears, welcome to Wisdom Era online class. Students, in previous class I already done the Boy and the Robbers lesson textbook activity. Okay, now in today's class I am going to do the A Beautiful Day poem textbook activity. Okay students, all of you open your textbook, page number 12. Now students, all of you take pencil in your hand. S. Observe here. First, B. Sounds and pronunciation. Under this, say these words aloud paying attention to the parts in red. Okay. Here there are 3 examples are given. In these 3 examples, the first 2 letters are mentioned in red color. Okay, those letters are consonant sounds. Students, do you know the meaning of consonants and vowels? And what are those? Yes, see here. In 26 alphabets, there are 5 vowels. Okay, those are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, left of the vowels, remaining are consonants. Understood? Yes. Here in first word, BL, CR and TW. Okay, blue, crowing, Twitter. In these 3, the first 2 letters are consonant sounds. Those consonant sounds are come together here. Okay, yes, come to next here. Compare these with words below. Here also there are 3 examples are given. Compare these. Okay, first one, Jew, rowing, bitter. Here Z is a consonant sound. After the Z, the letter is O. O is an vowel sound. Okay. Here rowing, R is a consonant sound. O is a vowel sound. Here bitter, B is a consonant sound and I is a vowel sound. So in these 3 words, only single consonants are begin. Isn't it? Yes. See here. They given at the beginning of the blue, crowing and Twitter, 2 consonant sounds come together, and Jew, rowing and bitter begin with single consonants. Okay? Yes. Next, come to point. Here B1. Find and write 5 more words from the poem that have 2 consonants at the beginning. Circle the letters that stand for the consonant sounds. Here, in these 5 blanks, we have to write 5 more words from the poem. The words have 2 consonants at the beginning, and we have to circle those letters. Okay? S. Those letters or stand for the consonant sounds. First one, students, write here in first blank, flowing, flowing, and FL is a 2 consonant sounds. So you have to circle the consonant sounds. Next, small, SMALL, small. SM is a consonant sounds. Here 2 consonant sounds are come together. So you have to circle those consonants letters. Next, glitter, GL, glitter. Circle the GL consonant sounds. Next, green, GR. Circle the GR consonant sounds. Next, sky, SK. SK is the consonant sounds. Circle the SK consonants letters. Yes. Completed, students? Next, come to point B2. Complete the table of rhyming words. Here they given the table, so you have to complete the rhyming words. First one, flowing. Flowing. Now we have to write the rhyming word from the poem. Students, write down in this blank. First one, crowing. In this blank you have to write your own rhyming word. Blowing. Students, your own rhyming word means you write in yourself, okay? That is whatever it may be. You have to write in your own way. Blowing. Next, Twitter. Glitter. Quitter. Prevailing. Sailing. Failing. Defeated. Retreated. Cheated. Hill. Ill. Chill. Grazing. Rising. Amazing. Youngest. Strongest. Earliest. Okay, students, completed this table. I hope you all understood this table. Students, I hope you all completed today's textbook activity. Okay, in the next class I will come back with the next lesson textbook activity. Thank you.